Yo, what's happening, guys? So welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you, like I promised, how we're gonna do service A on my Mercedes-Benz C300. Procedure for that is the same exact for service B as well. I don't know if there is a C, maybe there is, maybe it's not, but yeah. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So when you go in here, and yes, we're gonna do that as well. I think the sensor is bad. There you go. Service A exceeded by 65 days, which I mean, it's a lot, but I mean, I don't drive this car that much, you know, my wife as well, so yeah, I should have done it earlier, not gonna lie. So put some gloves and let's do it. Don't forget, handbrake first. Boom, check. Next, the hood. Boom. Okay, and in this video basically I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna save you some big bucks, because apparently a lot of my friends keep telling me, ooh, driving a European vehicle, you know, that's, you know, maintenance wise it's a lot of money. And I'm like, no guys, it's not. What are you guys talking about? You know, like, you guys are driving Toyota Camry and still you guys are paying the same exact amount for oil change on my car and on their car. So yeah, so if you guys want to save some money, basically do it the way how I do it. Get your hands dirty and you guys gonna drive a Mercedes or European car or an Audi or Porsche, you know, it's not really a big deal. So first, this is gonna be an oil filter. This oil filter, let me show you the number if you guys want to buy the same exact one. There's the cheaper ones, but for me I decided to go with the one that, you know, Mercedes recommending, Model 1. I think right now I have a different one, cheaper one, so you know, dealer's choice. Then for the oil, let me show you guys. This is my oil. I'm using 040. I bought this box. So this one, it is, keep forgetting how big it is. Oh, okay, there you go. So it's 12 quart. I got this bad boy from Walmart and I believe it was like 50 bucks. So 50 bucks for 12. We're gonna need only 9 of it, so we're gonna have some extra left over basically. The oil filter, the one that I showed you guys, that one I believe was like 15-20 bucks. Like I said, it's more on the expensive side, but still, like I said, if you guys go to Walmart, and this is a full synthetic mobile one, if you guys go to Walmart, nobody's gonna, you know, do the service that I'm doing right now for, what is that, 50 bucks plus, let's say 20 bucks for the oil filter. That's 70 bucks. So yeah, follow my steps and you guys gonna save some money right there. And then when you guys save some money, then you can guys put them, you know, when, you know, on your new games, when you guys are playing PlayStation. Yeah, why not? Yeah, PlayStation, Xbox, whatever you guys want. You guys have some extra money, or, you know, get some new rims, new paint, something, you know. So enough jibber jabbing, let's get our hands dirty. Let's get dirty. Okay, we got the car jacked. Now I'm gonna pop the top cover and pop the bottom cover as well. Okay guys, check it out. So this is the bottom one. To drop it down, you have 1, 2, so actually this is the front. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. These two guys here, for some reason mine's are Phillips. The rest of them are, what is that, 8mm or a 5/16. So pop this guy. Let me show the screws. This is the type of screw, and this is the 2 Phillips. So like I was saying, whoever owned the car before that, he lost 2, so they put these guys. Okay, we've got the oil cap loosened just so we can let air go into the engine. Now next step is gonna be the oil filter. Okay, oil filter right here. Boom, perfect. Usually this is hand tight. Okay, see that? Okay, we have the pen ready to go. There you have it. Super easy. And I'm gonna change my gloves. Back in the game. Yeah, this one is not a mobile one. This one looks like to be the STP. You go right there, the STP, and then this is the number right there. I think it's a S8481 XL. Yeah, I don't really remember, but yeah. So now I'm gonna put the new one. Comes with all of the O-rings, so I'm gonna swap the O-rings as well. Pretty simple. Boom, comes straight right up. Last one. I do have one very little, very small one. I never figured out where that's supposed to go. Maybe if you use a different type or something, but I never put it. So that one is gonna go back. Now this filter honestly doesn't really matter which way. So shove it in. Make sure it's all the way in. Hold good. For now, just put it there. Once again, don't get it tight because we want air to come in. Now, we're gonna drain the oil from the bottom. Okay guys, this is how I do it. Put the plastic around the oil filter, put everything into the old box now. So when you go to the store and return everything, I mean, return it for recycle, not, you know, for asking you money, you know, basically. So, okay. Let me show you real quick. There you go. And the plug is right there. Talking about this guy. Right there. We're gonna loosen that guy so the oil can drain. Okay, this is a 13mm socket. We're good, guys. We are good. Okay guys, so looks like we're almost out. For me, I think we're good. If you guys want to wait more, you guys are more than welcome to do that. Oh, and one more thing. So there is a little copper crush washer. If you guys have a new one, or if you guys bought a new one, you guys can put the new one. For me, I never changed that, and yes, I just forgot. You know, honestly, usually I buy it and I replace them, but on this vehicle I haven't replaced that one at all, and this is my third time reusing it. I'm not saying this is the right procedure, you know, everybody's saying, you know, put a new one. Well, in my case, I haven't put a new one, and right now it's working. So okay, got it tight-ish. Now the proper torque for the oil pan bolt is 30 Newton meters. So have it right here, Newton meters, 30 right there. So and there you have it. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. Well, I guess you guys are gonna have to trust me. But yeah, 30 Newton meters for this guy right there. And basically now, that's it. Now we're gonna have to fill it up. First I need to make a spot. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put the fresh oil. And I'm gonna show you the best way to put the oil where your bottle is not gonna, you know, create an air pocket inside and it's gonna start, you know, like spilling out. And I learned that from Mr. Tavares. So shout out for Mr. Tavares. You guys see that? Not a drip. Perfect. We got 5. So crazy enough, I don't know why the guy told me it was on 9. Let me check my book, see what it says. Okay guys, thanks so much for sticking up. Now I'm gonna show you how you guys gonna smash that like button. Smash the like button, guys, come on. How you guys gonna reset the oil service? So to be able to do that, we need to access the hidden menu on your dashboard. To be able to do that, we need to close the door or else it's not gonna work. So let me show you. I'm gonna get the key in. Right there, do you guys see how it's telling you take your key from the ignition? So because of that, we need to close the door or else it's gonna keep showing, you know, that sign. Boom. Now we're gonna turn the key to the first position, which is 1 time basically, and you guys should be able to see that when you guys are on the miles, then should see that right there. We're in the first position. Now we need to hit OK and the call button. So first the call, then it's right after that it's OK. It's gonna be kind of simultaneously, but not really, because if you guys hit them at the same time, you guys gonna get a different message. So let me show you, see if I'm gonna be able to do that. Okay, so we're gonna hit first this guy and then this guy. You guys see that? Boom, right there. Now from that, we're gonna go down, look around, basically those 3 menus. Then we're gonna go to vehicle data, hit OK. It's gonna show us some, you know, information. We don't need that. Then dynamic test. This is if you guys want to shut off your ESC. Actually, it's a dynamometer test. So when you guys access this menu, now from here we're gonna scroll down to assist plus. Now right here, service data, gonna hit OK. You guys can see it's gonna show you detail, remaining time negative 65 days, remaining distance 3,600 miles. So you guys can see, actually I could drive this vehicle a lot more, but the time basically passed, so that's why, you know, my notification shows up. That's why I wasn't on a hurry to change the oil that fast. So go back. Now we're gonna hit full service. Okay, now basically it's telling you service 1. Honestly I don't know which order it is, but basically it's oil, then the next one it's oil filter, and then the next one it's air filter. Service 1, 3 and 4. Okay, when you guys get everything changed, you guys gonna scroll down and then confirm the full service. So hit OK, carry out, yes, cannot be undone, of course, confirm, and boom. Now you guys can go back. There you go. Now you guys can see the service is not gonna show up anymore. That's it, it's all said and done. So there you go, guys. In the next video we're gonna hit and check to see what's going on with that sensor on the windshield washing fluid, see what's the deal. Yeah, if it's bad, it's bad, and we're gonna replace it. Or maybe some wire got damaged, because this vehicle is pretty low and my wife likes to park close to the sidewalk or to like one of those little things, you know, in the store, the one that actually stops you to roll into the sidewalk. So yeah, yeah, thanks so much guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.